In this video, I'm going to show you how to make banana nut bread. Hey guys, my nickname is Czechflash and this channel is dedicated to make healthy foods taste incredible. On this channel you will find light and comfort foods, dinner meal ideas and mind-blowing sweets, like this one. So if you are new here, be sure to subscribe. Rumor has it, for every new subscriber, baby Bulbasaur is born. So all you need for this banana bread is 2 bananas, half cup of any milk, quarter cup of sunflower seeds, quarter cup of raisins, 1 container of fat-free Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of oats, half cup of chopped almonds and half cup of chopped walnuts, 2 eggs, teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First reheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Reheat the coconut oil to make it fluid. Squash the bananas. Now add the coconut oil. I'm using 2 large eggs, so if you have a small ones, use 3. Mix it all together again. And now I'm going to grind the oats and add them into the mixture. And mix it all together. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So sunflower seeds, raisins, teaspoon of baking soda, vanilla extract, cinnamon, Greek yogurt, nuts. And you don't have to use all of the milk, just enough to make better texture. Now get ready baking form. And bake it for 60 minutes or until it's done in the center. The bread is done. Now I'm going to let it cool down and then we can eat. It's done and delicious. Question of the day: what is your favorite type of bread? Let me know in the comment section below. Also in section below you will find all the instructions and ingredients how to make this bread. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below, and till the next time, have a great day.